Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a Hobonichi unboxing. I ordered a Hobonichi at their release day on September 5th, I believe I ordered it, Sunday, and I been wanting a Hobonichi for a while. The backstory, one of my friends has a Hobonichi. She got it gifted from somebody and she's been using it. Oh, well, she has the Hobonichi Cousin and she's been using it. And I'd been going back and forth about which planner I wanted for the upcoming year, because I felt like as much as I have been planning in my Recollections planner and really enjoying that, I wanted to combine that with my everyday carry and just have one planner and then also journal in it. So the Hobonichi Cousin was kind of my answer to everything I wanted. So this is the box that it came in. It did come in a white mailer bag, which I took off because it had my address. This is really cute because over here it says Hobo 20th anniversary edition box, and from the other videos I have watched, which you probably are searched on YouTube, this is the first time they've done a pattern box, which is very lovely. I love the squares, and it says Hobonichi Techo 2019 on the side, and then it has their website on this side, which is super cute. And on this side they have their little like monkey character in the 20th anniversary. Super cute. So let's just jump into this. So I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit more. So on this top portion it has the Japanese phrase, and the translation, it says, "Don't ever lose hope. It's far too important. You know how a pinch of salt changes the whole flavor of a dish. Your hope is that salt." It's from Safety. It says it's from Safety Mash's Fireplace Chat, and that is very encouraging. I might just cut this out after we unbox this so I can put this in my journal or something. And then, sorry with all the movements, is the main event. So it comes very nicely packaged in this. Then I only ordered one thing, which is the Hobonichi Cousin, and then it does come with a free gift. So I'm gonna pull them out and put the box on the side and then show you these things. So let's open up the gift first. So this year's gift, I guess every year they do a gift. I have honestly no idea what this says, but I'm sure you can watch somebody else's video and they will tell you what it says. But it comes with this, let's see, this really cute bear in like silver pewter, and he's got his planner opening and he has his mouth open like he's excited and everything, and it's like pretty weighty bear, so it's really cute. I guess the gift every year is something different, but yeah, this is cute. I'm gonna put this on my desk or dresser or something so he can hang out. And then the other thing they gave was this, this is their exclusive Hobonichi Techo 2019 Uni. I think somebody said it was a Jetstream pen. So it's a white barrel and the tip is like a blush peachish pink color, and then it has black ink, blue ink, and red ink in the Coletto style. So you can click it down and then totally use that to write, and then click it to change colors. So this is super cute. Then this is the planner that I got. So the first thing that I see in here is this instruction paper or something, some little cute comic about the Hobonichi. It says, "This is my life with the story of a girl. She's waking up, having fun with her friend, playing with the dog, like getting dressed, going home," and then something about rain or something. As she looks over her diary with her cat. And then there's just a cute picture on the back that says, "Happy Nothing Special Day." This is super cute. I'm probably going to hold on to it. Hold on to that. And then this is the Hobonichi Cousin. This is cute. This one only came in the A5 edition, and it's probably just bent from me opening and closing it. Things like that. Because I did get this a couple days ago. It actually came really fast. It said that it shipped on the 12th or something of September, and then it arrived here on the 19th, 17th or something, so about a week or so. And they put it under like express signature shipping, so my dad had to sign for it, so that was really cool. But here it is, the A5 Hobonichi Techo Cousin. There's just a blank paper on the front. This feels like cardstock. Then you have the Hobonichi Techo Cousin paper with a full 2019 calendar on this side. You also have 2018 on this side and 2020 over here. Then you have your monthly overview for 2019. You could probably do like habit tracking over here, or forward plan for things. So you have a full month of that, and then you have your monthly spreads. Saturdays are in gray, Sundays are in red, and then you have holidays also in red. You have December of 2018, and then you have all of 2019, and then let's flip a little faster. You have a few months of 2020, so first, second, and third, in case you want to forward plan that much. Oh, third, and then it jumps right into your weekly pages. These are, I kind of am in love with the feel of this Tomoe River paper on it. It's thin, but it's really, really nice, and it feels really smooth. You jump in automatically into your weekly section. So this is the last week, the first full week of 2019. So it includes December 31st through January 6th of 2019. The week is highlighted here in this corner. So they always have it circled, and it says Monday start through Sunday, which I like. So then you have all your weeks jammed together, and up in this corner where it says 2019, and it tells you what week it is along with the month. So you jump into that, and then this is the last week before you jump into 2020, and you flip the page, and it says turning the page to a new year. You get 2 pieces of graph paper over here, so you can do whatever you want. And then flip over to January 1st. You can use this as your month overview, as I've seen Oh Hi Joy do. She's done monthly challenges, and this is the part I was super excited about. It actually has daily pages in here, so it includes all the days of the week, or all the days of every month, and they don't have tabs, but on the side, if you can tell, it looks as if it's slightly it's different colors, and it's graded down, so you can flip to the last month or whatever month you choose. And beautiful thing, this planner actually lies flat, like super flat. You don't need to like bend it. You still have the bulk of like writing, but it's not as bad as you're dealing with in like some spiral bound planners or anything like that. So we're gonna flip through this. At the end of the year, you have your another couple pieces of graph paper. Then you have a timetable. I don't really know what this is for. You have a grid if you need to graph paper or something out like that. You have a favorite section if you want to keep some favorites back there. Not sure why there's these blocks. Some more writing. I guess this is favorite eateries or something. I really wish I could read kanji. Some map things that they like to talk about. Gift ideas. If you want a list of gifts, keep track of gifts to or from. Determining age really fast for the years and things. I think this is right. Let's see. Yep, about right. So yeah, graphed it out because 2019 you would be 0 years old and however many months. They have some that QR code. I think you can scan it and it would take you to the Hobonichi site. You have like a little address page, and then you have your Hobonichi, your contact information if you want to put it back here, and Hobonichi's contact information: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, their email and stuff. I did do a pen test, so let's zoom you in for what I did the pen test on. So I did a pen test using the Uniball Jetstream. Do I have the ballpoint? I don't know where my ballpoint pen went, but I also used this Inkjoy gel pen, the capped one. The Pilot G2 in 0.7, the Pilot Precise in V5, okay, Precise in V5, the Papermate Flare, which I haven't used in a while, a Happy Planner pen, which I have, what else, the Unistyle Fit, the Pilot High Tech C in my Pen Gems refill, and a pencil. So this is what all the inks look like on this one. You can see the Papermate Flare is probably the darkest because it's a felt tip. The felt tip over there, but then the Pilot Precise is also pretty inky. And so is the the Inkjoy. So this is pretty inky. This is their newest Inkjoy pen with the caps. And this is the Pilot Precise one. And it's an older pen, but it's also like super inky. So the real test is to flip it over and see how you can. I think it might just be the weight and the thinness of the Tomoe River paper, but as you can see, they all kind of did shadow, and they have the little bumpiness because they probably write too hard, but it's not something that would super bother me. But if you're one of those people, this is what that looks like. For shadowing and stuff. But yeah, I think I'm really gonna like this. I'm really excited. I think of all the pens I'm leaning toward using, I'm hoping to use the Pilot Precise VR5 in the next year, and the Inkjoy gel. But I also still love the Pilot G2s. Anyways, that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you were interested in getting a Hobonichi or what kind of planner you are planning on using in the coming year. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in another video. In the meantime, please keep up with me on Instagram, and I am trying to post more pictures. Yeah, so I will see you soon. Bye!